Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another assessment for the CAA aspirants from LAM. So we are starting a new module, the module on diagnostics. And for this week, we will tackle diagnosis by observation. And we are very honored to call Sir Mark Anthony. Happy New Year, Sir Mark, to start the
Happy
ball
New Year.
rolling for the
Yes.
first 30 questions. Pakita ka naman ng mukha mo, Mark.
Dok, ayaw po ng ano po. Ayaw po ng Zoom po.
Okay. Nawawala, no? Grabe. Okay.
Opo.
Sige. So you have to tell us ano pong diagnosis niyo. So we're talking about pattern, no? Or so pag pattern deficiency excess. Like if you see a patient with dry skin,
Yes po. For the
ano po?
dry skins po, Doc, dry skins po is typically seen as a manifestation of the imbalances in the body, often like linked to insufficiency in blood or fluid or an excess of the heat and wind. Dry
Okay.
skins causes blood deficiency, heat deficiency, lungs dryness. Yun po, Doc.
Yeah, very good. So if you see a patient na dry ang skin, tingnan mo kaagad yung skin. We all say that the skin is the third lung, no? Mhm. Pero dito, we would say kulang siya sa blood, especially liver blood deficiency. Okay, so of course, meron pang iba na causes nito. Iba pang manifestations ng liver blood deficiency. So pag drying skin, the first thing is it could be liver blood deficiency. Okay,
Opo.
so you can treat the skin by nourishing the blood or nourishing the liver blood. Great. Number two, Sir Mark, withered
Withered,
skin,
weird skin.
nalalantang. Yeah.
Characterized by lack of elastically lifeless appearance, dryness considered as signs of deeper systematic imbalances. This condition is typically associated with deficiency in vital substances like Qi, blood, yin, and yang. Other presence of pathologic factors like heart rate and dampness.
Okay. To compare this with the first one is dry skin, diba? Tuyo lang yung skin. So we would think of blood deficiency or even yin deficiency, right?
Yes
However,
po.
pag hindi lang siya dry, nanguluntoy na, naubos na yung fluids niya. Diba? Na-injure. We call that injured fluids. Yun. So that's the difference. I've seen many patients like this. Okay? Okay, Sir Mark, pag itchy skin, ano ang problema?
It is known pruritus is often linked to an imbalance in the body which causes such as weight, heat, dampness, or deficiency in the blood or yin.
Okay, it's usually due to wind, no? Oo, so Makati, that's wind. Palipat-lipat kasi Kati, the more. And, di ba, pag tuyo yan, Makati, so may wind, and lalong dumadami.
Yes po. Sir, yan po yung mga, Doc, yan po ba yung sample na eczema po? Or
Um,
dermatitis?
you, okay, yung eczema naman kasi meron kang makikitang mga wheals, no? So, paano
Opo.
nagkakaroon siya ng swelling, ng ano, okay. Ganun na rin yun. Pero yeah, eczema. Pero ang eczema kasi may tumutubo eh. Di ba?
Yes. Opo.
So, it's usually a combination of wind and something else. Okay,
Yes.
pitting edema. Anong ibig sabihin ng pitting edema, Sir Mark?
By swelling where pressures leaves an indications typically seen
Okay,
as a result of imbalances in the body, chi, blood, and fluids. Yan po, Doc.
yes. So nagkakaroon ng marka, no? When you try to press the swelling. So the cause is kidney yang deficiency. Okay?
Opo.
So, ito
Di ba,
yung mga pasyente na they would always tell you actually malamig din yung paa nila. So,
tulad
okay,
ng
what
pasyente ko
about,
kanina,
okay, pag hindi naman nagpipit yung edema or non-pitting yung edema, what is the problem?
non-pitting edema is a type of swelling when pressure does not leave any indications, often associated with imbalances in chi blood or fluid metabolisms. These conditions typically indicate chi stagnations, dampness, or phlegm accumulation as well in dysfunction in spleen, kidney, and lungs.
Okay, chi stagnation, no? So, yun. Boils. What if mayroong boils? What is the pathology here?
Boys' localized skin infections characterized by redness, swelling, heat, and pus are attributed to the accumulation of heat, toxic heat, dampness, heat in the body. This imbalance disrupt the skin
Yeah,
ability in the disarming, resulting in inflammation.
yeah, extreme heat and damp. If you can see the picture here, yeah, mm, damp yan, eh, may swelling, tapos mapula heat. So, boils or furuncles. Next, ano ibig sabihin ng tiny broken blood vessels? May nakikita sa skin. So,
Yes
this
po.
will
Is it known
depend on the color.
tiny broken blood vessels, spider veins, or telangiectasia appear small red
Telangiectasia.
telangiectasia
No,
appear,
telangiectasia.
telangiectasia
Hindi. Sige.
appear as small red, purple, or blue lines under the skin in them. Condition is often like the blood stagnation, heat in the blood, or spleen chi deficiency.
Okay. So, may makikita kang, yan. Yan yung significance, no? So, if the color is red, it is heat. If the color is blue, it's due to cold. Okay, pag greenish naman, there is pain. So pag nakita mo may kulay talaga, like green, most likely the patient is in pain. And so obviously, alam na natin to. If it's purple in color, it's blood stasis. Next, um, like what particular organ are we referring to when it comes to hair luster?
Kidney, doc,
Lung,
lungs,
lung.
mali pala.
Luster, you know, luster yung sigla.
Lungs nga pala.
And then, tinanggal ko lang yung ano ko. What about if thin and dry hair? Manipis na tuyo pa.
Thin and dry hair is considered a reflection of internal imbalances, particularly related to the blood-kidney essence, Jing and yin. Healthy hair depends on the nourishment provided by blood and the strength of the kidney essence.
So it's
Blood deficient.
blood deficiency. Okay, ito naman, hair falling out.
Hair falling out systems of internal imbalances often lead to the deficiency in the kidney essence, Jing blood deficiency, and Qi or disruptions caused by factor like heat, dampness, stagnations. Addressing the net cause is essential for stopping hair loss promptly regrow. Blood
Nakikita niyo,
deficiency.
so hindi lang siya kidney essence deficiency that leads to blood deficiency, no? It's also seen in women who have lost a lot of blood, pati buhok na nagpo-fall out. Next, what about if the hair falls out in patches? Yung tinatawag nating alopecia areata. What is the diagnosis?
It is known as alopecia areata can be addressed with TCM by focusing children medicine by focusing balancing the body, internal environment, blood deficiency, doc.
Blood deficiency and wind. Kasama yung wind. Kaya,
Apo.
Meron akong kilala na nagkaroon siya na parang mga coin-like patches sa na hindi niya alam bakit. Yung pala, natulog siya sa labas. Nakangalaw.
Mhm.
Oo. Poor hair luster. So kanina you were talking about pag yung luster ng buhok pinag-uusapan, we would be looking at the condition of the lung. So ano naman ibig sabihin, Sir Mark, pag hindi maganda yung luster ng hair?
Is considered reflections of health of the blood, kidney essence, zinc, and the liver functions.
Okay, so it's usually the lung deficiency. No? Next, ngayon yung nails mo, may mga ridges. Tapos manipis, saka madaling brittle talaga. Okay. Ano ba, Sir Mark, like aside from the luster of the hair, um, ano bang, di ba sinabi mo lung, no? Ngayon naman sa nails, ano naman yung iniisip natin?
Doc,
Tingnan niyo.
pag pinag-uusapan is liver to, Doc, di ba ho?
Liver, very good. Yeah. So, pag madaling yung nails mo na, maninipis na, madali nang maputol, it's liver blood deficiency. Okay, what about if yung nails mo masyadong makakapal na, thickened?
Thickened nails and strong nails are signs of well-nourished liver, kidney, and spleen. Blood stasis, meron siyang fungal, Doc.
Yes, fungal infection. Okay, number 15. What about if yellow na yung nails?
15.
Actually, no.
Minsan, Doc, ha?
Alam nyo, this one is very, very important. No, this is something, just don't look at the patient's face. Tingnan mo din yung kanyang mga kuko, especially when you shake hands, di ba? Actually, from the kuko alone, you would already know, right? Hindi naman siya
Opo.
bale, tapos yung yung nails niya hindi maganda, no? Okay, Sir Mark, pag yellow naman yung nails, yellow signifies what?
Blood deficiency. Damp heat or blood deficiency.
Okay. White nails, white.
White nails are often sign of deficiency of imbalance in the body, particularly related to blood, G or young nails are view of as extension of the tendons governed by the liver and nourished by the blood.
Okay. Purplish nail. Oh, keyword is purple.
Blood stagnation pag purple or liver.
Yeah, very good. Red nails.
Pag may red na pinag-uusapan po, excess young in the body depending on the shades. Excess young ang sagot ko, Doc.
Mm-hmm. Specifically what? May heat sa blood. No?
Imbalances po yung heart, liver, and blood.
Okay. Red face.
Ang red face is often considered as signs of internal imbalance, particularly related to heat, yang excess, or chi and blood stagnation. Heat.
Okay. Kung masyadong red yung muka, buong muka red, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Heat po, Doc. Excess heat.
Excess heat. What about
Yes,
kung
po.
hindi naman buong muka ang red? Yung sa malar area lang, sa may cheeks.
Sa pag-malar flush tayo, Doc, no?
Mm. May heat din, di ba?
Pag-malar, mainit din po siya, Doc. Hormonal imbalance din to, di ba, Doc?
Mm,
Heat blood deficiency.
deficiency
Ang
heat
sagot ko, Doc,
or empty heat, di ba?
ang heat po, Doc.
So ito naman, yung heat niya dahil sa yin deficiency. Yung kanina, excess yung heat. Okay? What
Opo.
about if you have a purple red face?
Purple red face, in term of often seen as indication of internal stagnation, as internal stagnation po, Doc.
Okay.
Particularly blood or heat, this type of facial colorations may reflect a deepest imbalance in the body that affected the circulation of chi and blood of causing, yun po, Doc.
Okay.
Heat causing blood po tayo.
So I believe, Sir Mark, magaling ka na tumingin sa muka, no? Huwag mo lang masyadong habaan yung diagnosis. Kasi baka mamaya,
Sakto lang.
kung pwede, dalawa, tatlo lang isipin mo. Baka mamaya kung ano-ano na isipin ng ano, ha? Yun. Don't think too much. What about if the face is pale and white? Parang ano, parang bangkay.
Imbalance, ano, papatay na po siya, Doc, no?
Hindi naman,
Imbalances po yung kanyang
wala.
chi and
Hindi naman patay.
blood.
Okay. May deficiency or cold. Okay?
Po.
Yang deficiency, ganun. Okay, what about if the face is dull and white and emaciated? Parang naubusan na ng laman. What is your diagnosis?
Deficient. Ang diagnosis ko, Doc, yung parang maputi, tapos parang bangkay po siya.
Hindi naman
Blood
bangkay.
deficiency.
Yeah, bangkay nga, parang na ano, blood deficiency. Kasi parang may naubos na laman, no? Okay, what about if yung mukha naman niya parang
Opo.
sigla, pero ano, white. Bright white.
Pag bright white po ang mukha po is deficiency of chi and blood po na
Very good. Yeah, chi deficiency. Okay, kung bright white tapos puffy yung mukha.
sa akin po indicate of dampness and chi deficiency.
Wow, very good. Yang deficiency with damp. Yes, it's actually worse than chi deficiency, no? Nagkaroon na ng damp. Puffy. Alam niyo yung puffy, no, sa Tagalog. Yellow face.
Sa akin po, ang indicate of disharmony in the body, internal system, of related to spleen chi deficiency, blood deficiency, liver dysfunction po, Doc. And stomach deficiency. Yun po yung sagot ko, Doc.
Kung liver dysfunction, bakit? Di ba, usually we associate yellow with spleen. Yeah, baka liver excess, baka humina yung spleen, no?
Apa.
Okay, dull yellow face, tapos pale yung lips.
Combination of chi deficiency, blood deficiency, and dampness, and yang deficiency.
Okay. Spleen chi deficiency, blood deficiency. So, yellow, spleen yan. Okay, ito naman, yellow, hindi lang siya yellow, puffy pa, tapos greasy. Have you seen a patient like that, Sir Mark? Pag ginawakan mo medyo malagkit.
Yes po.
Tapos medyo puffy. So anong ibig sabihin po nito?
Imbalances involving spleen chi deficiency, dampness, accumulations and possible heat siguro, Doc.
Okay. Phlegm.
And
So definitely nagkaroon na siya ng heat kasi nagkaroon siya ng phlegm. No? 'Di ba una-una lalabas yung damp. Pag hindi mo na-resolve yung dampness, iinit. And because of yung mga body fluids mo, nagko-condense. Kaya nagkakaroon ka na ng phlegm. But this one is a combination. Baka napatuloy pa siya gumagawa ng phlegm. Phlegm damp. Number 30. You have a face that is withered. So, ibig sabihin nalantang muka. And then yellow and dry. Ano ibig sabihin nito?
Indicate blood deficiency, yin deficiency, chi deficiency, or combination of these imbalances.
Okay. Sir Mark, do you have a copy of the notes that we sent through email? Oo.
Wala. Sige,
yun,
double check.
Hindi binasa. Okay, ganito gawin mo. Medyo iklian mo yung mga sa... Kasi baka wala tayong maalala, no? Katulad nito. Alam mo kasi mga you have to be very aware of the keywords, no? Katulad ng dry. Alam mo kagad mainit. 'Di ba? So, 'yun. Yan. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Mark, and belated Happy New Year.
Happy New Year po, Doc.
Yes. Okay, then after Mark, we will call on Ma'am Trixie. Ma'am Trix,
Hello, Doc. Yes, Doc.
unless others would like to volunteer, which I doubt. Okay. Maybe you could take care of 31 to 60 or even 70.
Oh my gosh.
Tanungin natin si Dr. Terence. Dr. Terence, would you like to share your expertise? Or you're still on vacation? Baka nag-Maldives to. Ay, pag walang sagot, nagda-drive yan. Wag na lang, okay. Okay, I'm sure you are prepared, no, Ma'am Trixie. So let's go. Let's take a look at a face that is green and blue. Okay, remember pag ang tao, yung mukha niya parang nag-green na, ibig sabihin may pain po yan. Right? And blue parang, yeah. So ano pa? Green and blue. So what are we talking about?
Liver, chi, or blood stasis.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. It's blood and chi stagnation. Okay, green, blue, and purple face. Lahat na sa kanya.
Liver and heart blood stagnation.
Yes, very good. And there's also wind.
Wind.
So remember, giveaway na po yung purple, no? And the blue here is the cold.
Wind.
Definitely, there is chi and blood stagnation. So, especially when you go to Canada right now, it's cold there, diba? Or other parts of Europe. Super lamig. Hello, Ma'am Wilmela. Talagang, okay, very attentive. Happy New Year po. Baka gusto niyong sumagot mamaya, we will appreciate it po. Okay lang, sige. Green, blue, ashen, and pale lips.
Liver stagnation or blood or chi deficiency.
Very good. Wow. Okay yun, tama yun. Black lips. Alam niyo, may lipstick ngayon, black na, di ba?
Kidney deficiency.
Yes, obviously. Or there could be cold causing blood stasis. That's usually kidney. Siyempre, pag may kidney yang deficiency ka, may cold ka rin. Puffy, black eye rings. Maraming ganyan.
Blood stagnation or kidney chi deficiency.
Yes. Purple under the eyes. Purple under the eyes.
Blood stagnation or kidney yin deficiency.
Yeah. With kidney yin deficiency. Black, dry, withered face.
Empty heat from kidney yin deficiency.
Yeah, very good. Good. Name the two important principles regarding diagnosis and observation.
The two important principles are the correspondence between an individual part and the whole, and observation of constitutional traits.
Okay. Actually, this is quite important. You know what? You would eventually be able to tell what imbalance the patient is probably very vulnerable to if you are, if you know the Constitution. If I'm not mistaken, there are 9. So, bali 8 yung abnormal, no? So, from the Constitution alone, you would be able to immediately assess the patient and hopefully come up with the correct diagnosis. And number 1, yung correspondence between an individual. So you always like compare the individual part to the whole. What are the 4 methods of examination?
The 4 methods are observations,
Yeah.
interrogation, and palpation.
Very good. Why is it important to observe constitutional traits? I think I gave the one answer na kanina pa.
So you can diagnose the patient.
Okay, and also Yes. It's easy. It will actually serve as a guide, diba? Like every constitutional type will have its own peculiarity. They have the tendency to some disharmonies, no? So I'm sure sa galing mo, alam mo na yung 5 elements, no? And it also allows us to be able to assess the severity of the problem.
Yung ba yung doc, yung depends on the body type ng patient,
Yes.
like if they're metal or
Yeah. And also, ganito kasi yon. Like, for example, if you're a wood person, you are a wood, no? Usually wood, mabilis lumakad yan. But if all of a sudden, ang bagal-bagal mo na lumakad, so that shows us how severe the problem is. Kasi hindi na ikaw yun eh. No?
Okay.
Yun yun. At saka isa pa,
May
yung ito, very common to. Kung dati slim ka, tapos biglang bumilog ka. So wood ka dati, biglang naging earth. So yun yun, no? So you need to be able to really, you need to be able to know talaga. Maraming ganun, di ba? Okay, it gives patients an underlying treatment irrespective of the presenting disharmony. Sometimes kasi, we are so confused already. So, minsan you need to really, pinaka-powerful yung boses. Okay? Pag maiyakin yung boses, ay nako, lang na lang talaga yan.
lungs na.
Yes. Na-observe mo, no? And there are people,
Mami ko iyakin.
ang lakas ng boses. Oh, saka medyo yung boses masyadong mahina, no? Yung mga ganun. It allows us to forecast the type of disharmony that such a patient might be subject to. And this is very good because you can eventually prevent something that might happen. So, alam mo na. Diba? What aspects of observation are used in diagnosis? So, medyo marami na mito. Can you tell us?
41. Oh, head and face, eyes, nose, ears, mouth and lips, teeth, gums, tongue, throat, skin, limbs, channels, spirit, body, and demeanor, and body movement.
Actually, hindi mo naman makikita lahat yan. Huwag mo isa-isahin, maubos yung oras. You just have to scan the patient. And there's something that will really make you notice, no? And sa totoo lang, the moment na paglakad pa lang, pagsalita, and the way he shakes your hands, doon pa lang alam mo na. Minsan kasi pag cold na cold, alam mo na kaagad, di ba? Yan.
Lungs.
Yeah, so they will all tell you the same thing. So you don't need to really like look at each of this. But if you can, kung scanner ka na mabilis, di mas maganda. What do you observe to understand the presence or absence of spirit?
The complexion, eyes, state of mind, and breathing.
Very good. Yeah. This is true.
So if the complexion is like no, pag may spirit, there's luster.
Yes.
And the no spirit, it's dull, tsaka no luster.
Eh kung hindi na humihinga, wala na ring last, wala na ring. What are the 3 aspects to consider when examining the physical appearance of a patient?
The constitutional type, long-term changes in physical appearances and short-term changes in physical appearances.
Oh, nagbabago talaga, no? Nagbabago talaga. Lalo na pagpabaya na tayo sa ano natin. So you see, it's very, very important. Not two people, are the same, even if they have the same problem. What are we observing when we are looking at someone's demeanor?
The way a person moves and the movements of the individual parts of the body, such as eyes, face, mouth, limbs, and fingers.
Yeah, tingnan mo talaga yan. I'm sure you've done this a lot of times already, no? So I just hope na the clinicians today will really be so good at observing. Observe lang. Minsan na akala na nila sa atin para tayong mga manghuhula, no? Which actually hindi naman. Lumalabas talaga. In fact, no, like pag may HER2 deficiency, I'm feeling they will not really look at you straight in the eye. So, yun. It doesn't mean na guilty sila of anything, but it really tells you that there is something wrong. So you ask questions that are very relevant.
Ano daw kung mannerism lang?
Kaya nga,
Ano kung mannerism lang? Kasi I have a classmate. Parang
when
ganun
you
siya
have
tumingin.
mannerism kasi, it's a sign na medyo yung liver yan eh. Oo, 'di ba? Wind, ngayon gumagalaw-galaw.
Pag mannerism.
Yeah.
Yung parang may tics.
Yeah, mga tics. Basta may movement.
May friend ako ngayon may liver cirrhosis na. Pero may onset na siya before. Kaya pala, meron siya yung parang nag-tweak siya
Yeah.
ng shoulder niya. Parang naging mannerism. Yung
Yeah.
pala, tapos eventually na-diagnose may cirrhosis
Okay, that's
of the
bad.
liver.
It's really bad, no? Minsan hindi nila sinasadya. Sana mannerism lang. Pero actually, pag may mannerism ka, that's also a sign that there is some deficiency. O may excess na pumasok. Ganun lang. And it's usually not only one organ. For example, if hindi ka na masyadong bata, then may ano ka pa. Katulad ng Parkinson's, di ba? We also consider the kidney talaga especially. In fact, pag matanda na tayo, mas prone tayo magkaroon noon. Kaya ingatan dapat yung hindi lang liver, pati heart.
Nakakatakot ba ang acupuncture sa Parkinson's? Kasi may friend din ako may Parkinson's.
Nakakatulong. But it takes time.
Nakakatulong.
Nakakatulong siya to but
Pag Parkinson's,
basta you need to be able to treat wind. At saka may reasons bakit nag-create ng wind, internal wind. I'm talking about internal wind. So, diba, doon tayo sa mga liver patterns. There are many liver patterns that give you internal wind. So, you need to be able to address that.
internal.
For all you know, dahil din yun sa kidney. No? Kasi ang daming na-exhaust na yin. Kasi the liver and the kidneys, they have a mutual relationship.
Yes.
If a patient has dito na yun has excess movement or rapid and jerky movements, what pattern is this?
Yang, full or hot?
Hot.
Hot.
Excess or full or hot. Yun. So, yun pa lang, alam mo na kaagad eh. If a patient has lack of movement, opposite naman, what type of pattern is this?
Yin, empty, or cold patterns.
Yeah, empty. Hindi empathy, sorry. What is the state of the hair related to?
Blood or kidney essence.
Yes. State of the hair to hindi luster. Yung luster kasi ng hair, that's the liver. Yung state, yung itsura talaga, yung kondisyon ng hair.
This one yung parang may graying hair.
Yes. Yeah. The quality. The quality. Iba din yung sigla eh. Sigla is by appearance, the luster. Diba? What does prematurely graying hair indicate? Ouch. Yon.
Decline in kidney essence.
Yes. What can falling hair indicate? I think we answered this earlier already.
Blood deficiency.
Very good. What are the 4 attributes of a normal complexion?
Subtle and slightly reddish hue, moisture.
Okay, slightly reddish lang, hindi yung red na red. And complexion shouldn't be dry. There should be moisture. Hindi na pwedeng masyadong greasy, no?
Greasy.
What does the face color reflect? Or why do we always look at the face? Face color pala.
For the status of chi.
Yeah.
Status of chi and blood, and it's closely related to the condition of the mind.
Yes. Not everyone knows this. Kaya nakita nyo yung pag masyadong manic yung pasyente, masyadong young, ano napansin mo sa mukha nila, sa color? Do they look pale or do they look like namumula?
Mapula.
Yes, Sir Mark? Yeah. Nawala si Sir Mark.
Go, Sir Mark. Medyo parang reddish.
Yeah, alam mo din kung kailan siya depressed, no? Pag depressed naman, what do you think is the face?
Very, very pale
Now you know.
or dull.
Yeah. What is the disharmony associated with a dull white complexion? I think this is not earlier.
Blood deficiency.
Okay. Dull white. No?
Dull white.
Iba din yung bright white.
White.
Yes. Ito na yung next.
Young
Young
deficiency.
deficiency. Now you know. So which do you think feels cold? Bright white or dull white?
Dull white.
Feels cold.
Feels cold. Bright white.
Bright white. Yeah. Kasi young deficiency.
Kasi young deficiency.
Always nyo tandaan yan. Okay, disharmony associated with a whole red face.
Full heat.
Yes. Or excess heat. Red cheekbones.
Empty heat.
Yeah, or deficient heat. Okay, sallow yellow complexion.
No question, sorry. Yung sa cheekbones, paano kung yung left lang yung red?
Ganun ba yun?
Liver.
Yeah. May nabasa ako, I'm not so sure if it's correct pero medyo nag-stick ito sa utak kasi nagtaka ako pag yung left cheek daw may problema, may mga abnormality, the liver. And liver natin sa right. Kaya hindi ko talagang makalimutan. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pag sa right naman, the lungs daw.
Oo nga, yung iba ko rin nabasa nasa left.
Oo. So,
baka sa face lang.
Sa face lang siguro. Wow, dami mo nang nabasa, Ma'am Trixie. Grabe. Okay.
Hindi,
Yeah.
Google lang ako kasi.
Google lang naman di ba? Pag wala
anyway.
Sa Google, medyo lang talaga, short.
Gusto ko lang.
Green complexion.
Magulo din.
Pag green yung complexion, katulad ng isang movie na yung about
green is liver patterns, interior cold pain or interior wind.
Actually, pag in pain talaga, makikita mo, ay bakit may greenish hue na siya, yun. Di ba?
Automatic.
Yeah, automatic. So ito lang, liver patterns, interior cold pain, or interior wind. So malay mo, minsan kasi, you wouldn't know what to do. Ay, bakit green yung mukha niya?
Yeah.
Ngayon, green yung complexion niya, pero red yung eyes. Di ba green liver din?
Yes.
Pero yung mata niya,
is namumula. Red fire. Liver fire.
Very good. Dark reddish green complexion.
Stagnant reddish liver cheek.
Yeah, nag-turn na in heat. Bluish, white bluish complexion.
Cold or chronic pain.
Okay. Thank you. Galing, no? Who would like to participate pa? Otherwise, I will ask, mukhang wala yung iba. Diyos ko, ay, may nadagdag. Wait lang, ha? Ma'am Ganaba, would you like to participate? Okay. Si Mel Salve. Yeah. Who would like to participate? Or otherwise, I will call Ma'am, again. So, Dr. Terence, are you driving? Okay, can you do the honors? Tapusin mo na, Ma'am Trixie.
Sir Mark.
Hangover pa yung iba. Okay, black complexion.
Cold pain or kidney disease.
Yes, kidney talaga, no? Mm. Yeah, I've noticed this. Basta black ang complexion. Yeah.
Kidneys.
Mm. Black and moist complexion.
Cold.
Yes. Iitim pala tayo, pupunta tayo ng Europe, no? Black and dried up or burnt complexion.
Heat.
Yes. What do the eyes reflect? Or why do we look at the eyes?
For the state of mind or essence.
Very good. So, yeah, kasi pag may nakita ako talaga, parang may cloud yung ano niya. Oh.
Pag malungkot or emotional, kuwari may emotionally going through something.
Yeah, just have to look at the eyes.
Oo, pero the rest of the face is okay. Pero yung eyes niya parang...
No? Minsan blanco yung look, no? Would you be able to tell? Right.
Parang walang spirit.
Yes.
Tama.
Yeah.
Diba?
Nakaka-relate ka ba, Sir Mark? Can you share with us? Like, or can you show us how...
Yung nanay ko, nagkaroon siya ng anxiety disorder. Napansin ko po yung kanyang mata po, parang talagang itim na itim siya, Dok. Wala siyang liwanag. Talagang pag ganun po isang pasyente po, na-realize ko na talagang wala siya sa pag-iisip ng tama, Dok. Kung laging nag-hallucination, iniisip na overthinking siya. Kaya yung mata niya, dark na dark talaga. Hindi naman. Hindi na violet, Dok.
Oo nga. Paano naman ngayon kung medyo may topak na?
Ang ginawa ko, Dok, sa nanay ko, yung parang yung di na mapakali. Sinasamahan ko siya, kinakausap ko siya ng maayos. Ini-ear pressure ko siya, Dok. Lagi. Yun, ngayon nanay ko okay na. Binibigyan niya.
Parang may naalala ako dyan sa atin. May nakita akong ganyan.
Kilala ko yan, Dok,
Huwag mo na sabihin, grabe ka naman. Hindi, alam ko may mga emotional issues, deep emotional issues. Parang natawa si Ma'am Trixie, kilala din niya, no?
Hindi, nagganyan kasi ako before, di ba? I
Napansin
can
ko,
see it kahit sa photos makikita mo talagang wala. Parang
blanco,
malungkot yung eyes talaga.
Parang empty. Parang hindi siya buhay. Parang ganun, ewan ko lang.
Yes, oo. Ganun.
Okay. Mabuti pa si Sir Mark, ang galing-galing mag-detect.
Dok, nalaman ko yun sa yung nalaman ko yung tsura ng dila, para siyang kulubot-kulubot. Yung
Okay.
yung kanya, yung... Sino yan?
Dula-dula gid man sila.
May
Para
pumasok.
wala na wala na tingog.
Ay, Bisaya, parang taga-amin yan. Wait lang.
Para hinay.
Banda-banda sa amin. Akong ingay-ingay.
Para kapag may wala ko, pulang nakatadalugan, napos lang yapon.
Ay, wow.
Pag may yun. Dok, kapag may ganyan po, ang dila niyan is purple, Dok. Talagang purple na purple talaga.
Oo. Talaga?
Apo.
Blood stasis na blood stasis. Okay. Ito naman, kanina, di ba, mind disturbance, dull or clouded eyes. Hindi po rin magsisisi, lalo na pag masyado siyang may emotions, affected sa emotions talaga, malalim, no? Next, Ma'am Trixie, what disharmony associated with the whole eye, red and painful, swollen?
Invasion of wind, heat, or liver fire.
Very good. Flaring of the nostrils. Pag nostrils, alam na natin.
Lungs. So lungs. Extreme heat.
Yeah,
lungs. Lungs.
Slightly moist and shiny nose.
Uh, good prognosis.
Very good. Walang significance. So, kailangan pala siya maging shiny. Pero kung
No.
ayaw nila maging shiny, nilalagyan ng pulbos para.
Parang ako oily.
Yeah. So, what
Oily na
about
yung nose.
if a patient comes to you with a swollen ear? Ano naman ibig sabihin noon? Magang-maga yung ear.
Kidney.
Okay.
It's a
Meron
kidney.
siyang
Damp.
excess or full pattern. Or actually, pag swollen yung ear, obviously, napansin nyo, ayaw niyang pahawak yun, masakit. So, may pathogenic factor. Most likely may infection. No? Okay.
Doc, I have a question.
Yes.
And auricular ba? May difference ba yung right and left ear pag tinutusok?
Yes. Meron talagang difference. That is why, sabi nila,
The right ear is yang. Tama ba?
yes, the right,
Yin yung
yeah,
left.
yeah, and I've noticed this for men kasi young, so you should always look at the left ear as the basis. Like I know you compare it um with the right. So you would notice you would find a lot of imbalances on the left ear
Left ear.
of a male. Sa lalaki, sa babae naman, it's the right.
Right ear.
Yun. That's only for purposes of detection of imbalances. No? Kaya nga, it is best not to clean the ears first unless kung iba kasi automatic pag tinignan niya pasyente nililinis ka agad. Tingnan mo muna. Kasi meron ka makikita mga suppuration and especially sa men, like you would notice na may mga, lalo na po yung mga scaling, yung mga parang may mga posture, may lumalabas na parang, scaling, no? That's a sign of blood stains, the particular, ngayon, kung nilinis mo na yon, so hindi mo na makikita. Diba?
Yes, Doc.
Kaya diagnosis is important. Wala pa tayo sa therapeutics. Anyway, napakadali lang naman magtusok, di ba? Ang ano lang kasi dito, when you diagnose, people will really appreciate you for it. Especially if you also show them a picture of their ear and tongue. That is why we're very excited that we're starting a new for the benefit of those na hindi naman talaga interesado mag-CAA pero gustong makatulong sa community, no? By the way, yung mga students natin are welcome to join. We need to start tomorrow. So ganun din gagawin natin. We'll talk about the anatomy and physiology as well. And of course, we need to be very familiar with the anatomy of the outer ear, no? At the same time, the corresponding organs associated with the ano. Sa totoo lang, when you even after 2-3 sessions, gets mo na, okay? Diba? And I already discovered a very simple way of memorizing the ano. Kailangan pala talaga, huwag ka masyadong super daming points. Masisiraan ka ng ba eh. Nagka-class sila minsan no? So I don't know. Let's talk about it later in another, siguro at around 6 o'clock, no? So we are inviting, and who knows, this can even improve your practice. If you're already a CAA or you're very fascinated with the body, you can look at this as an auxiliary modality. Or, yun. Meron nga akong isang sabi niya dito na lang ako, sabi niya, ang bilis mawala. And then there are so many things to really discover pa. Like I had to admit I was not very precise when it comes to 4-point needle technique. Kasi there are times when the right and the left pulses are different, no? Excess yung right, usually, tapos yung left deficient. So I think there's a time when the 4-point needle is not applicable. So according to some references I read, kailangan mo i-address both. Kasi nung ginamit natin na ganun pa rin siya. Kailangan mo lang talaga ayusin din yun. Kaya nga, kaya nga mixed pattern. Ewan ko lang if I talk sense, no? Pero eventually, when you attend our, I plan to have it every Tuesday. So, same type. Mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap. Okay? Let's continue,
Okay.
Trixie, and I'm sure you're enjoying it. If you see a patient with a thin ear, masyadong payat yung ear, what does that mean?
Qi or blood deficiency.
Of course. So, pag maliit kasi yung tenga, kulang sa nutrition yan, kulang sa yin, or kulang sa blood.
Pag maliit yung tenga, di ba sabi naman a short life?
Yeah, I
Pag
remember.
long ears, long life.
So ba yung pag mahaba ang ano mo, yung ear
Di
mo,
ba?
mo?
Sabi nila yung matatanda, sabi nila pag mahaba yung ears, long life daw.
Buhay. Pero pag may letang nasakitin.
Din. Kaya no, actually, don't look at it as kung ikli yung buhay mo. Probably that's already a red flag. Kailangan mag-ingat ka na din, di ba? Okay, pag pale lips, Ma'am Trixie,
blood deficiency or yang deficiency.
Yes. Red and dry lips.
Heat in the stomach and spleen.
Very good. Magkakuntsaba talaga yung stomach and spleen, no?
Stomach and spleen.
Pansin ko.
Oo, ang spleen yung yung laki, yung stomach naman yung coat. Okay, bluish or purple lips naman. Ay, nakon dyan na naman yung purple.
Blood stasis.
Kaya pag may nakita kang pasyente, may palpitations, may chest pain, most likely, yung lips niya, hindi naman siya smoker, blue yung lips niya, nako, you have to consult, to refer her to a,
doctor.
Cardiologist. Western doctor. What disharmony does a slightly open mouth indicate?
Empty.
Wow,
pattern.
alam niya. Slightly open. May mga taong ganun, no? Natutulog, nakangangako.
Yung mga mouth breather.
Yes. Okay.
Hey, Doc, I have a question. Paano pala yung mga may sleep apnea?
Sleep apnea. Okay, sleep apnea kasi sa Chinese, there is always an obstruction. So we usually attribute it to so when there's an obstruction, may excess yun. So
or yung muscles niya nagre-relax masyado.
Oo. Sa totoo lang yung mga may sleep apnea, pag chinek mo yung pulse, napaka-slippery. So it's almost always due to phlegm. So you have to really look at what they eat, how they eat.
Check ko nga yung uncle ko, meron siyang sleep apnea. Kung slippery yung pulse.
Yeah, slippery. Tapos tingnan mo yung dila niya, of course.
Nagsisipap na siya.
Yun na. At saka take note, the lungs and the spleen kasi, they have the same polarity, remember? The lung is tai-yin. Tai-yin, and the spleen is, the tai-yin of the lung is tai-yin of yung sa hand. Tapos yung spleen naman, they're always related, the spleen and the lungs. Very true. Yeah. So, kaya nagkaka-apnea yan. Kasi nga, of course, you cannot expect to be able to breathe through a space that has been obstructed. Yung airway mo na obstruct na.
Obstructed.
Yeah. And usually, that ito mga ganito, like iba kasi natutulog ka agad pagkakain and then they eat pa naman late.
Hindi na po process yung mga digestive.
Yeah.
I have one, like I was very happy. Aside from sleep apnea, nagugulat, kaya yung wife niya natatakot kasi humihinga. Tapos
bigla na lang.
Kasi yung aircon, sabi niya, linis naman ng aircon, maintain it regularly, pero nagkakaroon ng barado. So, alam mo, it took like mga 3 months, twice a month session. Pero happy siya, like bumabara pa rin. Kasi nga, yung diet na naman na, yung nagkakaroon ng craving for sweets, especially last time, ganun lang.
Kain ng kain.
Yeah. Kaya nga, pag,
Kain ng kain.
pag yung
Mm-mm.
nose, think of the spleen as well. Kain ng kain, di ba? Kaya tingnan mo yung iba, yung mahilig sa mga sweets, mahilig sa malalamig, barado yung ilong. Some people will not find it,
Dati paraging, barado eh. O kaya, meron akong yung palagi akong cold water.
So, kaya laging hingalin, Doc.
ngayon, hindi na.
Oo. Ngayon, hindi na.
Oo,
Wala na akong
na kayo
allergies.
jowa eh. Para uminit
Ano
ng
yan?
konti. Okay. Okay, Ma'am Trixie, what does breathing through the mouth indicate?
Lung qi deficiency.
Wow, ang galing naman. Yun. Green around the mouth.
Blood stasis or
Okay.
liver qi stagnation.
You might want to look at your friend na may cirrhosis. You might want to
Yeah.
take a look at the tingnan mo ng HD, yung
Kung may green.
perioral.
Tingnan ko ngayon. Wala pa naman yung sa akin.
Okay.
Hindi ka okay ka pa.
Ang teeth are under the influence of what organ?
Kidneys.
Yes. The gums.
Stomach.
Very good. I had that before. I was wondering, even the dentist cannot really tell bakit daw So, may ginawa sa ngipin. But the gums were bleeding. And yun yung time na parang ang init ng kamay mo, pati paa, pati yung chest. Yun. Yung kaya nagmamassage, pati painit-init ng ng
Doc, bakit yung sa friend ko, nagganyan din siya. Pero ang sa kanya ng dentist, mag-vitamin C.
Hindi, kasi may bleeding eh. So, yung tinatawag na, ano ba tawag dito? I forgot the term for vitamin C deficiency. Oo.
Shucks.
Yeah, basta nagkakaroon ka ng gum bleeding if you lack vitamin C.
Yes, insakit yun ng mga...
Actually, it makes sense then. It could be because pag sinabi mong meron kang bleeding, usually pag meron kang yin deficiency, alam naman natin pag yin deficient ka, kulang ka sa nutrients.
Yeah.
Vitamin C must be one of them. It could help. But again, you need to also look into what you need to be able to do something that will help bring back the coating. So I was also scared before. I was still like 20 years ago. Bakit parang may parang may kinain naman. Diyan naman yung mga natin.
Siguro, Doc, po yung spleen, Doc, ng spleen.
Yes. Oo.
Kasi po sa mga kinakain natin, kapag hindi maayos po, nagkakaroon tayo ng stomach fire. Nagkakaproblema po tayo sa sa gums siguro.
Oo. Totoo talaga, di ba? Next. What about swollen and painful gums? I had this before.
Heat. Stomach heat.
Stomach heat.
Stomach heat na pag gums.
Parati kang gutom nito, as in. Parati kang gutom. Okay, swollen pero hindi painful yung gums.
Empty heat. Empty heat.
So yung kanina, excess heat. Ito naman, or stomach fire, no? Ito, empty. What disharmony do gums indicate?
Blood deficiency.
Very good. Acute pain, redness, and swelling of the throat.
Invasion of wind heat.
Wind heat.
Wow. Remember, pag red yung sore throat, no? Invasion of wind heat.
Sore throat.
Minsan kasi, hindi masyadong sakit yung ulo nila, pero okay. Yeah. So, very good. What about chronically sore and dry throat na hindi naman swollen or red?
Yin deficiency with empty heat.
Yeah. Lung or kidney. One naman is collaboration between lung and kidneys? Mother and son.
Mother and son.
Yeah, which makes sense, I guess. Erosion, redness, swelling.
Toxic heat.
Very good. So toxic heat, kailangan mo na talaga ito ng ano, ng
Nag-question and answer na sila.
ng Western doctor.
6 o'clock.
What's one indicator of a good state of body fluids in the body? Ay, mga ear. Wala pa tayong 6 po. Wait lang po. Matatapos na tayo. You can actually stay behind for those who are fan of the auriculomedicine.
Ang earbuds.
Tapusin na natin po ito. What is
Healthy.
Yeah.
Okay. Healthy color and firmness of flesh around ankles and wrists.
Oh, I'm sure all of you are already checking. Sige, tingnan ng mabuti.
Hindi na, okay naman, hindi na mamaga.
Healthy color and firmness of flesh. Oh, okay. Swelling of the joints of the four limbs, what causes?
B syndrome.
Okay, usually caused by dampness.
Dampness.
If you have been listening to kanina's lecture, no, so we just started a discussion of the B syndrome or painful obstruction syndrome. We will be presenting different cases, like 3 sessions each. And I'm sure many of you could relate. Next, name the 2 types of edema of the limbs.
Water and chi edema.
Very good. What causes water edema?
Yang deficiency.
Okay. Ito yung parang may naiiwan, no? May pitting edema, right? Because of yang deficiency, the fluids cannot transform, transport, and excrete. Okay?
And of course.
Yeah.
Dok, pag may ganyan pitting edema, di ba may parang may problema rin siya sa heart?
Oo naman. Oo naman. Secondarily, yeah. Kasi nga, una-una mahina talaga yung kidney. So, pag mahina ang kidney, yung heart mo, grabe yung fire. Diba? Hindi umaakyat eh. Diba?
Pag mahina, sabi ang fire. Marami na discussion.
Oo. Kalma lang, Ma'am Elvira. Okay lang, madam. Iba yung topic na, magkakaroon tayo ng topic na ganito po. Don't worry. Ma'am Elvira. Relax lang. Oo. 6 o'clock ba tayo? Sige lang. What causes chi edema, madam?
Chi stagnation or dampness.
Very good. Now you know. And I'm sure you know how, ay wala pa pala tayo sa tongue diagnosis, pero at this time, alam na na. Which type of edema results in pitting of the skin?
Water edema.
Very good. What causes tremors or spasticity of the 4 limbs?
Liver wind.
Okay.
Dry
skin.
So, liver blood.
Okay.
Blood
deficiency. Itchy skin.
Wind.
Okay. Skin conditions can be related to the lungs and what other organ?
Liver.
Very good. Now you know. Napansin mo, if you are angry, you are also sad, right? Of course, you cannot be out.
Yes.
And when you're depressed, you're also angry with the world.
Yes.
Kapag may liver blood stagnation ka, Dok, di ba parang lalabasan ka ng kung ano-anong pangangati at yung parang mga rashes na hindi gumagaling?
Oo. Naramdaman.
Nagkaroon ako urticaria dati.
Yeah.
Ako ngayon, problema ko
do you think, Ma'am Trix, it's got something to do with anger and the liver?
Emotional ako nung time na yon.
Of course, it's always the liver, right?
Yeah, the liver.
Oo, alam niyo, napansin niyo, basta stress ka, may lumalabas sa mga kati-kati.
Yung yung bilog-bilog na parang kagat, Doc.
Yan, ganyan.
Wheels.
Inilabas mo.
Wheels, oo. Pero parang naka-protrude siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero ngayon medyo tuyo na yung sa akin eh.
Nakaka-relate
Pagkulong na ako
silang dalawa. You know, I think you've been through the same thing. Joke. Okay, let's go back.
Para mag-meet na
Ba-
tayo one time, Sir Mark.
Yeah.
Dami pa.
So, dull or clouded eyes?
Ano ba to? People who are emotional.
depression.
No, actually, ano na, super deep ang emotional problem. And their mind is
Depression.
already.
Depressed.
And
Depression.
the essence of the 5 yin is weakened already. No?
Oh.
Yeah. Parang meron talaga akong kilalang ganyan. Napansin mo din, Sir Mark? I hope we can help
Oh,
the
Doc.
person.
Dab
Wait, ano yan? Parang sarcastic.
talaga.
Uy, kailangan talaga natin. Actually, napansin nyo, hindi siya tumitingin straight. Yung mata,
Gumagalaw yung mata niya kung saan salita.
parang may nakabalot. Parang ano. Okay.
Parang napopossess ba?
Oo, parang ganun. Whole eye is red and
Nakakatakot.
Empty heat.
Wait.
Ay, sorry.
Invasion of the wind heat.
Invasion of wind heat.
Swollen
Em-
gums but not painful.
empty heat.
Empty heat ba?
Empty heat.
Pale gums.
Blood deficiency.
Mali na yung
Blood deficiency.
What causes water edema?
Yang deficiency.
Yeah.
blood.
And which type of edema causes spitting edema?
Water.
Answer nyo dito sa pale gums, it should be blood deficiency, di ba? It cannot be.
Blood deficiency.
Pale gums is
Blood
deficiency.
swollen is ay nandiyan yung kanina.
But not painful. Empty heat yung not painful.
Empty heat. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone for joining. We hope you had
Thank you.
We will meet again on Thursday. So, maraming salamat po. I'm not going to sign off, but i-off ko muna tong recording. So, thank you so much. I'll see you on Thursday.